So we're on the west coast of the Cape and we're heading north because let's face it, we love to head north, but we've just heard some news from the outside world and it's not good. It's not something that we were expecting. It's a COVID lockdown. Wow. So we're gonna do what the authorities say and we're gonna isolate for those 3 days.
So true all for adventure style, we're going to do isolation the way we know best. Oh, he's got a barra! There we go, that's what we've been chasing. He's in the boat, baby! Fish on! Fish on!
You got him!
Woo. That was a hit from hell, that was a doozy. Oh, it's a good one.
Good barra?
Yep. 81.
Look at the size of those footprints, mate. Yeah, that's a big animal right there.
Where's my lure here? That went well, didn't it?
Breaker, 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 breaker.
Stop looking for your skill bus. We found it.
Brad and Angelina are still together. That's really old.
Aren't they together?
Mate, you know, you got the sun going down, dips into the water, there's barramundi on tap, and you couldn't ask for a more isolated place and remote, and it's just awesome.